Here is the page 2.19, example 2.15. We can see that the ratio is 2 to 5, like this. And there are so many cases is in the ratio of 2 to 5, like this, and etc. And we can see that the pattern is like this one, because it is the multiple of 2 and it is the multiple of 5. And then we can have this pattern. Therefore, we let 2k be the number of $50 notes, 5k be the number of $20 notes, and in the question we all know that we have the total value of all these notes. So I can set up an equation equals $600. And what is the left hand side here? I should write for the $50 notes, we just multiply it by 50. And the $20 notes, we just multiply it by 20, and then we add them up. This means I have how much in $50 notes, and this means how much I have in $20 notes. And then we get the answer k equals 3, but it is not we have to find. We have to find is the number of $20 notes. So the number of $20 notes is 5k, where k is 3. So 5 times 3 is equal to 15. Then it is the answer. Next example, we have the ratio 5 to 2. So we multiply these two numbers by k. So I can let 5k be the original number of marbles that Paul has, and 2k be that of Dick has. And in the question, we can know that they have the same number of marbles after Paul doing something. When Paul gives 18 marbles to another guy, his number of marbles minus 18. At the same time, the other one has more marbles now, and we know that they are the same number. So I can set up this equation. After solving the equation, we know that k equals 12, and we have to find this. So the required number is 5k, which means 5 times 12, it is 60.